Hey guys, Mr.III here. On today's home project, we're going to be tackling this dryer duct. So this one goes a couple feet from the laundry room. Of course, it's not, connected to the laundry room like side by side. So the other room over here is just an office, which whoever did that design is horrible. But unfortunately, we have ductwork that went underneath. And then, of course, it gets clogged with lint. And then you get that low airflow notification on your dryer, and we need to clean it out. But I found a product online that you can clean from the outside instead of calling a professional. So we'll be our professional. But this kit actually came with a lot of things inside it, even this little lint grabber right there. And I'll put product link down below if you wanted to go check out the rest, but I'm just going to do a quick broad unboxing. We got our rods over here. That's going to go and attach to our brush, which will spin with our drill. And I just already put in our key that will attach to the rods, and that's what's going to be spinning with that. But it also came, let's see, even more rods. This whole kit cost me around 26 bucks, but I've been seeing it go for 30 as well, so find it on the best price. Another brush over there, and let's see what other things in here they gave. Another brush, and the list goes on and on. But let's go tackle this project. They gave this type of adapter. Right now we have this thing opened up. We're gonna put a new system on the outside that makes it easier with a magnet that opens and closes. And we're gonna be placing this inside here. We're going to attach our shop vac, which I have over here, this rigid taken apart. Just want to show you that there's nothing in it. We're going to see how much lint we can actually collect. All right, get that together. So from our shop vac, right now if you test, it won't fit, but you actually have to just remove this cap right here. If I just move it back and forward, that pops out. And then our shop vac can easily snap in place. On the top, we have an opening right there, and that's actually where we're gonna have our rod and our brush. So then we actually keep that closed off and a good seal for suction. So right now I'm just gonna get everything placed into the house, and then we'll turn on that vacuum and drill and work our way. All right, getting in place. And just wanna mention this is another dryer attachment for a vacuum. You could take this piece off if you want, make it shorter. They also have this adapter too, which could fit multiple different sizes, just in case you don't have a standard one. But let's take this guy, one of our rods, place it through. And you can attach and keep going, like extending it further and further. So right now, I'm just gonna clean up close, so I'm not gonna add more of these rods. And it looks like they're just like nylon. They're not fiberglass, but this is the right diameter in there. Get our, let's see, get that in. Looks like it's a little snug, or might be a little larger than our hole. So there's actually one flaw, but we'll see if this will still get the job done. All right, let's see, I assume, yeah, there we go. That's like that. Get this connected. Turn on our vacuum. Gonna attach a few more rods to go more in depth. All right, let's go see what we actually sucked up here. Oh my gosh, look in here. you can see all that. It's, you know, all right. So we could find all that lint that was just collected right now on the vacuum itself. Collected on the vacuum itself and now in there. So I'll just show you up again in a second. Okay, there we go. And then that's all that was clogged inside those ducts. All right, back again here. The dogs were barking, so I gave it a few minutes for them to go inside. Neighbors, you know. But anyway, going back to the thing, I'm still shocked at how much we just, you know, pulled out. And this is, you know, even a fire hazard if that thing gets clogged up and things go wrong if you have a gas, you know, dryer. That's the other thing. But anyway, a little trick I just figured out that I actually did while off camera. After I cleaned it out, I just put the dryer on air dry, so it's only blowing the cool air, and I don't even know what's the best way. Here. You can see that's just blowing, no air. So we have a strong, steady air blowing that way. So later on for your last cleaning, I would turn that on, and it's gonna blow the same time while you're sucking, and you'll get everything all out. That's a little tip I just figured out myself there. Besides that, like I mentioned before, product link is down below if you want to try this or something like this. I know this kit worked for me, so it should work for you too. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them my best. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and Mr.III out.